Hey, Nugget, you gotta get up now. Kids have to see the problem we're gonna work on today. Okay, so our problem we're gonna work on today has two digits in both areas. So, as always, you're going to draw the number that you're subtracting from, 3 tens, 4 ones, to make 34, and you're going to take away 25. So if we look at how many tens are in 25, there are two of them because it's 25. We're taking that away from 34. So let's start with the tens. Take away 2 tens, and then you're going to take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should know by now that if you're taking 1 away from the 10, it leaves you with 9 ones. And because there are 2 tens that we took away, there's nothing in the tens place. So your final answer is 9.